Hey guys, hey! So I'm gonna show you guys how I made this bomb mac and cheese. I didn't have all the ingredients I normally used, so it was like a freestyle, but it still came out delicious. So listen, don't be getting that shredded cheese that's already in the bag. Get you some block cheese and get working with that grater, or you could grab this thing right here. I think it's called the rotisserie cheese grater. It grates it so fast. If you cook a lot, this is definitely a must-have. It cuts even the veggies, it shreds your carrots. Get it. And listen up, salt that pasta water. You want to add a lot of salt. That's where the flavor is gonna start from in your mac and cheese. And guys, please don't be overcooking that pasta. It should be around al dente at like that 12-13 minute mark. Like I said, this is a freestyle mac and cheese. I didn't have all the ingredients, so y'all chill. Don't be coming for me in the comments. So for the cheese sauce, I used 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I went in with 1.5 cups of milk. I'd normally use heavy cream here, but like I said, your girl's gotta go shopping. I used a half a block of cream cheese. That's around 4 ounces. This is totally optional, but trust me, I used a half of Velveeta, and I also used a whole block of sharp cheddar cheese, and I also added around 8 ounces of smoked Gouda to the mix off camera. And make sure you're seasoning your cheese sauce. Add a little garlic powder, throw something in there, something. I popped it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 35 minutes. You could add like 5 more minutes if you want the top to be super crispy.